I'm a single mother.
Okay.
Doesn't matter, right? I have the hiccups.
Alcohol does that to you.
Right.
Have a seat on the left. Watch your head. Have a seat. Right there.
Whatever, regular bar shit. I just want this girl trespassing the bar, so when she goes back, then she'll actually get in trouble this time.
So she needs.
Just don't let her know you're calling us.
From here.
Call us, and hopefully we'll get her when
She's
she's here.
barred from here. She knew that already, but she came in here trying to fight one of the bartenders. She thought you were messing with him and running around. I locked the door. I locked the door, and that's when I think she realized that we were like serious.
Hey, is your name Trinity?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll go get him.
Yeah, sure.
So what do we want to talk about?
Well, we're gonna go get the bartender. She's gonna say something to you in front of us, and then we'll get out of here in a few minutes. Okay.
So the bartender directly wants to say something to Trinity. Me?
You're Trinity, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The bartender wants to say something to you, so
Okay.
we're gonna bring her down
Outside.
here. We're just gonna wait here. We'll bring her down here. Okay.
Okay.
What happened tonight?
I literally came here and they've known me since I'm 24 now. They've been serving me since I've been 19.
I hope not, because that's illegal.
Yeah, that is illegal as fuck for them to do.
You should call the state liquor board then, because
I would never do that. I'm not a snitch.
We're closed. I'm wrong.
Hey?
Okay.
No, hey.
Come see us tomorrow.
So she said that you've been banned from this location before. And
They
maybe
say
you forgot
that.
about
Maybe.
that. Maybe. Is there some truth to that? Maybe.
I don't know, are you gonna arrest
Well,
me?
that's a ban is not something I can enforce. Now, trespassing, on the other hand, that
I
is
don't want to
something
go to jail. I don't want to
I
go
didn't
to
say
justice
you're going
fight.
to jail.
I will be honest with you, though, Officer
Higgins.
Higgins. Okay. I'm a single mother.
Okay.
Doesn't matter, right? I have the hiccups.
Alcohol does that to you.
Right. So therefore, yes, I frequent at this bar a lot. And there are a lot of these bartenders in here trying to.
All right, Trinity. She's going to say something real quick.
Hey, Trinity. You're trespassing the bar.
I'm trespassing the bar, Abby.
Hey, you're good.
Don't do it
Yeah.
All right.
You're good.
You're good. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, Trinity. Here's what happens. Trinity.
Bye, Abby.
Trinity.
Let me get
Goodbye,
your,
Abby.
Trinity, I need you to
listen.
listen to me now. If you come back to this location, you could be arrested for trespassing, okay? All right, we're going to take a report, and then you can go home. Hopefully you've got a ride,
I do.
because we're going to hang around, and if you
So
Just
they.
spend your money at
So
another
can
Get
I
an Uber.
understand that I process all this? So they talking about they put a report for me,
we're taking a report tonight.
so I can't be back here
Correct.
To that
To
bar.
the bar.
because they are some stupid pussy ass bitches.
To the bar.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, that's their establishment.
Yeah.
They make those rules.
Ma'am, can I get your phone number?
So if
Trinity.
I come
Trinity, he has a question for you.
Can I get your
Right.
phone number?
614,
Okay.
so I'm
Trinity.
asking you,
I'm sorry,
Mr.
ma'am. Can I grab your date of birth real quick? Okay. And where you stay at, ma'am?
Is that all necessary?
Yes.
Yeah.
For what?
We're taking a trespassing report. You are legally required to give us your address.
Oh, so I'm like a Trent.
You're
like
not being charged, but
Yeah.
you still have to provide us with that information.
my address.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, I will because I'm like okay. So my actual. Don't do that.
He just wanted to make sure you weren't
No, I
gonna
didn't.
follow.
Yeah,
is-
That's it.
you were falling backwards.
This is too easy. Just what's your address?
4852.
All right. And then yeah, it's not a big deal. Just spend your money elsewhere. That's all. If they don't want you back, you know.
That's so crazy. Is all these? It's okay. It doesn't matter what the fuck I say, Mr. Officer.
No, it does.
Or
You
not.
can tell us whatever you want.
No, because they really act up here. So that's cool. It doesn't matter. I'm the scapegoat, so this doesn't matter. I don't care.
Do you have a ride?
Yes, I do.
One that doesn't involve you driving?
No, I don't drive at all. If you look up my name, you will see that my license is invalid, so therefore I can't drive.
Okay. Because I've never pulled someone over that didn't have a suspended
I'm
license
sure you
before.
have pulled a lot of people over that have
Yeah.
a suspended
How
license.
did you get here tonight?
But I don't lie.
How did you get here tonight?
I walked.
From Hambrick Street?
Pretty much. If you look it up, the miles links up.
Okay.
No, because I don't know.
Okay. Do you have someone that you can call for a ride?
Yes, I can.
Okay. My partner's gonna check your name, make sure you don't have any warrants. You don't have any warrants,
I hope
right?
I don't.
Paid all your traffic tickets?
I'm pretty sure that.
Pretty sure.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
That would be really
I don't know.
unfortunate
If I
if you
get
didn't.
arrested, then shit.
That'd be really
People all
unfortunate
love
if you
to
didn't.
eat that shit. I'm getting questioned by policemen. I'm at Thirsties. Yeah, there's two officers looking at me in my face. But Mr. I've never heard that song, Mrs. Officer. Woo woo.
Doesn't
I
sound
hope I
familiar.
don't have to go to jail. I really don't. Who is this?
This
Hey.
is going to be the report number, okay?
Gavin?
Trinity?
Yeah, I'm over here getting questioned by police
give this
officers
one.
at Thirsties.
Trinity?
I got a ticket, I think.
No, it's not a ticket. It's just a report number.
Just the incident number for tonight.
Alright. Where you at? I can't go to Mugsy's. What time is it? Officers. Hey, listen,
Can you call
my
for
little
a ride?
boyfriend. Tell my boyfriend that I'm talking to an officer.
Oh, I can't even hear anything because there's too much music on the other end of that.
I'm talking to an officer.
All right, can you call for a ride, Trinity?
Yes. Can you come pick me up?
Where you at?
I'm at Thirsties. I'm talking to an officer.
Alright, I can come get you.
Hopefully he's not drunk, because if he pulls into this parking lot and I...
Don't come, 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 don't come. Don't, you're away, and like, that's okay. Like, I'm never gonna be by myself.
Okay, so Trinity, you're saying that you want to stay right here in front of this business and wait for a ride.
Yep.
And you're and you are not...
You, Mr. Officers, that you guys do. so
Trinity,
much.
Trinity, let me finish. You are not going to walk down there, are you? Because
No,
if you
I
walk
promise
down
to
there,
God, I promise to God,
if you
Mr.
walk
Officer.
down there, you're going to get arrested.
No, I won't. I won't. I promise to God right now, I won't.
You're going to
A
wait.
few moments later.
Okay. There we go.
Why
I got
don't
it, I
you
got it.
listen? All right, show's over, guys. Show's over.
Trinity, we gave you a chance.
Trinity, we even offered you a ride home. Like, this is... I'm not mad, I'm disappointed.
Yeah, that's cool. Let all of them laugh. Think it's funny. Think it's funny
Hey,
as fuck.
hey!
Think it's
You're
funny
good.
as
Let's go inside,
fuck.
please.
We got him. We got him.
Bitch, you're not the officer. They are.
All right, stand up.
Stand up.
Go.
Trinity, you all right? You need a medic?
Nope.
Bill and log it.
You all right? You okay?
Seat on the left. Watch your head. Have a seat. Right there.
I know.
No.